Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to keymap Rofi power menu and application launcher in i3 window manager. So, first, we have to edit i3 config with nano text editor. Scroll down to the end of file with the down arrow key and write these lines in your file. And save the file by pressing Ctrl+O and then press enter and then press Ctrl+X. Now reload i3 config by pressing Alt+Shift+R. Let's open Rofi power menu by pressing Alt+Backspace. You will see power menu such as shutdown, reboot, logout, and some others. You can press Escape key to exit the menu. Press Alt+Z key to open Rofi application launcher. You will see a menu with application with .desktop files, and select them with arrow up and down key, and press enter to open. We can change the Rofi theme with Rofi theme selector. Select with up and down arrow key and press enter to preview the theme. Press Alt+R to apply the theme. Hope this video helped you how to keymap and apply theme to Rofi. See you in the next video of Arch Linux installation and set up other features like wallpapers, etc. And yes, I'm not a robot. Bye bye.